What's up, Negroids and Negrettes? This your boy Warren G. You know what I'm saying? Chillin' with the homeboy Mac 10. And we gon' lay a little something down for y'all, let y'all know what time it is, show you how we keepin' it real with it. You know, cause this world is built on material things, but we ain't trippin' off that. We want y'all to know this, check it. I want it all, money, fast cars, diamond rings, gold chains, and champagne shit, every damn thing. I want it all, houses, expenses, my own business, a truck, and a couple of business. I want it all, brand new socks and drawers, and I'm ballin' every time I stop and talk to y'all. I want it all, I want it all. They say they go Warren G with that envious stare. I love this game too much, I wish these haters wasn't here. It's a shame, we came too far to turn back. It's a cold world, it gets so hard, you learn that from falling. Trying to walk from crawling, trying to hustle up from broke to ballin'. And yeah, y'all in effect, that's on me, the Jigga G's it. All my niggas that keep it real and do it easy. Believe me, young nigga, fat meat is greasy and shit stank. So if you plot a lick and hit a bank and get away or get gappled the very next day, don't cry, hold your head up high and remember what you told yourself, nigga. I said remember what you told yourself, nigga. I said remember what you told yourself, nigga. I said remember what you told yourself, nigga. I want it all, money, fast cars, diamond rings, gold chains, and champagne shit, every damn thing. I want it all, houses, expenses, my own business, a truck, and a couple of business. I want it all, brand new socks and drawers, and I'm ballin' every time I stop and talk to y'all. I want it all. I want it all.
I want it all, so I gotta wake up and ball. And thanks to y'all, I got plaques on the wall. Mac 10 lace with the know-how to paper chase. Crushed dice on my rolly face and the platinum fan base. From networking and hustling, no doubt I got clout. And little lifestyle that Robin Leach talk about. Slow down, player, don't hate cause you can't relate. The Bentley coupes and kicking gears on Harleys with the straights. I got more limelight than Vegas on cable. Willing and able to shoot C-No-Yos at the crap table. And while you can't get off the ground, I'm getting high. A nigga fly and fly with the desire to build an empire. I strapped up and took flight like a missile. Told him loud and clear, so whistle. Who banging is official? Handing out gold medallions at roll call. I'm a ball and never fall, cause Mac 10 want it all.
I want it all, money, fast cars, diamond rings, gold chains, and champagne shit, every damn thing. I want it all, houses, expenses, my own business, a truck, and a couple of business. I want it all, brand new socks and drawers, and I'm ballin' every time I stop and talk to y'all. I want it all. I want it all. Me and 10 get paid, escapade to the spot. We hot, like rock served on hot blocks. I know this money make the world circulate, so we gon' stack and take a sip and percolate. Bump, let the whooper sub, show the homies love. Warren to the G, and little G dub. Surface on the low, slide or don't slide at all. Ride or don't ride at all.
Warren, I couldn't be more serious about my fetty. I stay tight on the mic and keep the pen moving steady. I want it all, dog, and it might be greed. I hate the trip, but I got 2 little mouths to feed. They don't know nothing about no excuses and disrespect, or somebody being late with their daddy's royalty check. And at that point, I'm through talking, dog, enough said. So if you owe Mac money, then I suggest you break bread.
I want it all, money, fast cars, diamond rings, gold chains, and champagne shit, every damn thing. I want it all, houses, expenses, my own business, a truck, and a couple of business. I want it all, brand new socks and drawers, and I'm ballin' every time I stop and talk to y'all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all, money, fast cars, diamond rings, gold chains, and champagne shit, every damn thing. I want it all, houses, expenses, my own business, a truck, and a couple of business. I want it all, brand new socks and drawers, and I'm ballin' every time I stop and talk to y'all. I want it all. I want it all. Mac 10,
what up? I know the
papers out there.
Yeah.
Warren G,
What up? You know the
papers out there.
Yeah.
G-Funk,
What up? You know the
papers out there.
That's right.
But who bang?
What up? We know the
Papers out there.
That's right. What?
The whole world. Papers out there.
Speak on.
All the hood rap.
Oh
see that this DJ be Warren G. Can I get in where I fit in? Sitting, listen, let me conversate, better yet regulate. Shake the spot with my knot, made, fade. Cause I don't like to dream about getting paid. I played ball through the halls of CIS with Snoop Dogg's big brother, call him Dirty Left. Rack 'em up, crack 'em up, stack 'em up against the gate. The homies trying to catch me, but they can't wait. The street lights just came on, and my mama's in the streets telling me to come home. I hit the gate and I hops on my Schwinn, and I tell the homies, alright then, yeah. It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I smoke on the pound. I got the sound for your ass, and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I smoke on the pound. I got the sound for your ass, and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. Verse 2. Now what the fuck I do? Catch the bus to Cal State or chill with the Voltron crew and make a few ends on the side. Here comes a baby blue van, time to ride. So I hops in the van with my nigga Tick and baby Papa. Back then, that was my clique. We groove in the Santa Ana and we plan to make a hell of a amount of money. And what I did for extra fees was break niggas after work playing Get Like Me. I was 14 years old, having a sack. Just a young motherfucker eating value packs, shooting dice in the corners of the public schools. And I used to gang bang, but now it's a G thing. And I still know how to make those ends. You don't believe me? Go ask the twins, motherfucker. It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I smoke on a pound. I got the sound for your ass, and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I smoke on a pound. I got the sound for your ass, and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G.
Yeah, check this out, this is OG, LB, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my little OG, Warren G, and he just dropping this to let you little BGs know what's happening. Y'all got to recognize, cause this is, you know, a Long Beach thing, 21st Street. But check this out, G-Dub going out there, you know what I'm saying? And how that shit, you know? Yeah.
It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I smoke on a pound. I got the sound for your ass, and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. It's kinda easy when you listen to the G'd up sound. Pioneer speakers bumping as I smoke on a pound. I got the sound for your ass, and it's easy to see that this DJ be Warren G. Hey Greg, I hope you was taping that shit.
Dress GQ, peeping out these industry freaks wearing dresses you can see through. Hammer time, I'm ready to party after words get naughty and sweat off Versace. You with your man, but you still looking good and healthy like Patti LaBelle's cooking. Eye contact, now tell your man you got a pee-pee. Run free, a freak can see me. Now that I got you, baby, what's your name?
What's up, love? My name is Queen. Why don't you wait right here, Hannah, while I go shake this bus?
No problem. Handle your business and let's go. I guess he's not satisfying. She said, Hammer, would you sign this here so my man won't think I was lying? P.S. We on our way home. Too late, player. I got your girl and I'm gone.
Too late, player. Bye-bye. I got your girl and I'm gone. Too late, player. Bye-bye. I got your girl and I'm gone.
Realize the game is staying tight. Forever playing right. Player hater saying he ain't right. What's the matter? No confidence within your data. I seen you tripping since I first started looking at her. And if she peep, then you know that she'll creep. And if you sleep, then that'll be just one you won't keep. Look at you. Boy, you know you need your ass whipped for holding on a hand like you're going on a first grade class trip. You feel unable to keep her in your stable as she listens to the Chris style popping at the next table. Life's finer things, victory is mine again. You're trying to win, but got to come with better than those Heinekens. I got her open by the game that I be using, and now she choosing, and you done came up as the one losing. The smooth criminal inside muscling, grand theft hustling. Black Caesar, he done struck again.
Too late, I got your girl in my roll.
Looking delicious, blessings while I give you kisses, while I'm granting wishes, make your boyfriend suspicious. Vicious while doing dishes in your daisy do. Handle my business in the evening, spend my days with you. If it's true that you really take it, that bond's broke, so when your man get the shit mistaken, then let him know you might be his girl, but see you always be my woman. Close your eyes, think of me and keep coming. Be swearing that they savvy, claiming their game's scabby. Be hitting switches, calling Tupac daddy. It ain't my fault that she sprung on me. And ain't it fun to make her come, put her tongue on me? That's on the real, homie. This is how it is when you play for keeps. If your game ain't straight, you'll lay with me. And after me, she'll probably the next two. I give up who's number two, long as I get mine.
Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my roll. Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my roll.
Flossing through the east, though, sliding on 18s, bumping, drunk stuffing, sitting way too clean. It's a Friday night, so let me slide by Christie's, swoop up like frisbees, too young for me and MC. Sucked up game, pursued my road, and slid to a view they never viewed before.
Let's drink Cristal and hop in the pool. Conversate about the real, not fake, and keep it cool. I see you smiling, girl, what you smiling for? Looking sexy with your Cali Buck wild flow. You like R. Kelly, you like what he produced through. Well, yeah, I like the bump and grind too, feel me?
Conversating, not tripping where my hands at. Now she's relaxing, wanna tell me how her man act. Excuse me, but do your man got my number, baby? Cause someone from your house with your coat keep on paging me. Hey, yo, Ham, you know these digits.
What's up, Nutso?
It ain't nothing but a man. Now ain't that wicked?
It ain't nothing but a damn shame. And it's very strange, cause my page will reach the same thing. So your man and your man must be trying to find clues on us and where we be. But we ain't tripping, let's give them a call so they can cook for us and clean up after the dogs, feel me?
Called him up, now you tell him he can come through. But he can't be up here acting a fool. After that, he never heard from us.
And when he arrived, it read, too late, player, do not disturb us.
Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my roll. Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my roll. Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my roll. Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my roll. Too late, baby, bye-bye. I got your girl in my
I woke up on a hot day, I'm ready to hit the lake quick and get through on the short set, the best to dip in. Out my dope, then approach my ride. I'm ready to get high and glide on my way to the east side. I hit the bomb spot, pounding like a madman, bumping Freddie Moe with 2 ton. The last jam, a photo shit, and it just won't quit. I got the route back to go, thanks to paint and the shift kit. I'm headed to the boat, what's going on, you ride low. I being quick and don't let out all the bomb smoke. We hit the lake, H.O. from block to block, roll down the windows and the roof and let the slam knock. I've been grinding just to see this day. I'd rather have it this way in a photo Chevrolet. I'm posted up, but I ain't on the grind. I think it's about that time to hit the strip and have a good time.
I'm about to whip the ship, I gotta stack some G's so I can come with fresh paint and some brand new Z's. Pockets hella fat, players fitted tight, so I profile myself at the 8 deuce red light. I'm already slamming with tremendous power. 2 more 12, now I'm knocking the town. Mids and tweeds, hook with 4 EVs and replacing the deck. is a fat CD. I'm all juiced up, I got to ride the strip. I see tenders whipping that don't even trip. Yo, 2 ton is getting hella hot. Let's snatch up a 40 and let the EVs knock. Yeah, we out riding, purved off the train. Gas in my tank, with plenty of bank. All my homies hella high, everything is fine. Freddie Bow and 2 ton, getting ready for a good time.
They straight bugging me, but them things cost me $18.50. When I went to get them, none of you girls was with me. So play the back, cause the bus pass still good. Give you a ride here and there, man, I wish I would. So now I might not see some notches at the bus stop, trying to get they spot high, choosing on the drop top. That's them girl from the back of the bus who wasn't giving no play and told her brother to hush, But now I'm riding on the candy and they flagging me down. Roll up the windows and turn up the bump and pound. So now they jocking because I ain't stopping. The roof and the gold things and the slam knocking. But like I said, it's about that time. I guess them girls didn't cry cause they ain't ready for a good time.
Now you're gonna miss out on the G-Funk era. You don't know I said things are going for Warren G. Him soon turn superstar.
11-10-70, that was my intro. But now in 94, I'm rolling a 6-4. Cause things get shady where the grass is greener. Niggas throwing up sets in hoods like they never seen her. Young Mac Daddy do his thing cause I pack right. I got 44 ways to make you act right. And it's a shame how the game must be played. It was told never fold by the niggas you can't fade. So raise up off this young hog. Cause I heard you punkin' some but you can't punk me, dawg. I got my own thing cause I let my nuts hang. If you wanna bring it on. No pain, no gain. So as I creep, can you peep what I speak? Techniques unique, so what you're saying is obsolete. So there it is, as I go about my days, I can only bring it to you like this, in so many ways.
Women are bad-minded, cannot take them feel no friend. You should have illegal. In some ways. Should have illegal. In some ways. Cause I borrow them, love borrow, but I lend them, never lend. You should have illegal. In some ways. Should have illegal.
Hey, this is Warren G, you know. And I was in Baghdad before these little youngsters was in their daddy bag, you know. Yeah, they in violation when he out, so hound 'em.
It's all plain and simple. I roll just to serve a lifetime with my niggas. Idiotic fools can't figure the way I display, or should I say more than that? It's crucial when I name how many niggas got my back. Never lack the skills when it's time to handle mine. You can front if you wanna, but you still know the time. I'm that nigga that they call Wayne Yak.
What that mean?
I'm that nigga staying down for the home team. So if you didn't know, let me slow your roll. This pro is on the go with some shit you ain't heard before. So recognize game in your face. A touch of the bass, then I'm gone without a trace.
T for Warren G, right where I go. Put your palm front line. He shoulda illegal. In so many ways. Illegal. In so many ways. Don't make comfy drop the dime on your office, serve the time. He shoulda illegal. In so many shoulda illegal.
I stay true to the game, but some stay blind to the fact that if I don't look good, you don't look good. So please rearrange and change the shit you're doing. You're fucking yourself, cause you the one getting screwed as I ease on down the brick road as I shift from first to second, cruise control. So blaze up the Buddha, cause I got the drink and don't think we don't roll without a full tank of that bomb ass shit called the funk. Cause I am the G and the funk is what you want. Now, let's take a trip to the other side of town. Niggas flip flop and they never stay down. Wanna be all they can be but getting held back. Trying to take what is mine, what type of shit is that? So this is for the homies, stay down for your pay. I can only bring it to you like this, in so many
Some
ways.
homies are bad-minded, cannot take them for your friend. You should have illegal. In so many ways. In so many ways. Cause I borrow them, love borrow, but I lend them, never lend. You should have illegal. In so many ways. Should have illegal. In so many ways.
I'm ready to work on this song. I'm mad.
Yeah, this is C-Night from the Dove Shack. Getting dough shit out, kicking it at Kings Park with all the homies. You know what I'm saying? So what you check out my homie Bo to the Rock. I ride with her, I slide with her. Loads and dogs from the LBC. All of the hoes wanna kick it with me, cause I ran with Warren G. Breaks your weed, busters and G. Water bloom fighters, low riders, and east siders. All come around to hear the Dove Shack G-Funk sound. All come around to kick you in my town. Yeah, let me hear you say, summertime in the LBC. Summertime in the LBC.
Now me and my girls are deep in a 94 Wrangler Jeep, flossing all through Long Beach. Daisy Dukes gets props, hair and nails brushed from the shop, and we're at the bomb spot called the Shack.
3 months of pleasure, how can I measure the relaxation, all the fun I'm facing? My homies got green, that's steam, for show though. Hit the stove though, so I can get a photo. My little cousin rushing to the park to munch, standing in line to get a free lunch. Why do we do what we do when we do what we do? Hanging out late with no curfews.
Y'all ain't gonna come in here and tell my house, that's for real.
Damn, it's hot than a mother. I'm smothering ribs with barbecue sauce. Foods get tossed if they reach across my barbecue grill. So continue to chill at Kings Park in the LBC. That's where you'll find me, hanging with my homies and my friends. We got the coke in here, we got the 5-footers and the twins. We got Warren G and the DOG. Come around to hear the Dove Shack G-Funk sound. Yeah, let me hear you say oh, let me hear you say ah, let me hear you say oh, summertime in the LBC. Let me hear you say oh, let me hear you say ah, let me hear you say oh, it's summertime in the LBC.
Hey baby, get the bubble gum in this motherfucker, something. Oh, baby, it's on you, dog. Steady long, steady wrong,
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O Double G. But I somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I
kick a little something for the G's, and make a few ends as I breeze through. 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't love them hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Shady. She used to be the homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that bitch, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these at ease. As I mob with the dog pound filled with breeze, biatch up just
rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang of Tangeray and a fat ass Jake of some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, not with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the box to cock. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you hoes, I'm out the dope, and I'll be
rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Man, the scene was so thick. Low rise, 77 Sevilles, L-Dog, nothing but them relax. All the players, all the hustlers. I'm talking about a black man heaven here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
It's beginning to look a lot like wood. Follow my every step. Take notes on how I crept. I was about to go in depth. This is the way I greet my season. Here's my ghetto rep. I kept, to say the least, no, it can't cease. So I begin to piece my 2 and 2 together. Got no snowy weather. Have to find something to do better. Bet I said some time, so shut up that. Nonsense about some solid. I got sick crunk if it ain't real, ain't right. I'm like no matter what the season. Forever chill with Smith. I said my fifth. I chill with West and got my reason. So tell me, what did you expect? You thought I'd break my neck to help y'all deck oh no, I got other means of celebrating. I'm getting blizzard at Hojo, I got the hoochie waiting. I made it through another year, can't ask for nothing much more. It's Outcast, but the books are something you knew, so now you know, let's go.
Different than I used to, cause I'm a player, doing what the players do. The package door is closed, okay, my day is moving, this is ridiculous. I'm getting serious, I'm getting curious, cause the house is smelling stank, the chitlins old as vicious. I make no wishes, cause I'm out and folk niggas in the back, getting tipsy off the noggin, higher, sell off the contact smoke. They having a smoke out in my backseat, they passing the urban running verses, cause it's in the air. I hit the parks, I hit the cuts, I'm hitting switches, cause I'm switching from side to side, looking for holy snitches. I'm wide open on the freeway, my pager broke my vibe, cause the junkie is a junkie 365. It's just another day at work to meet the spirit, just ain't in me, grab my pistol in my house, see what the junkies gotta give me, cause it's life. sipping, that's how it is. So I won't be hanging my socks, so no chip. I'm full as a tick. Fix me a plate, I got the remedy. Some greens and that ham. Not, don't need no ham. Hawks, don't play me like smoking rocks. I got the munchies. We got the Mary Jane in the dungeon just to let you niggas know. 193, that's how we coming. So ho ho ho, check my king ass bro. The gin and juice has got me tipsy, so won't
it goes. Give me 10 and I'll serve you then. Now we been the corner in my Cadillac. My heart does not go pity pat for no rat. I'm leaning back, my elbows out the window. Coke, rum, and endo fills my body. Where's the party? We roll deep, we dip to underground. Sees a lot of hoes around. I spit my game while waiting countdown. I fight for 1, 3, 2, here comes the one. A new year has begun, P-Funk spark another one. All the players came from far and wide. Wearing afros and braids, picking up gangsta ride. Now I'm here to tell you, there's a better day. When the player ball is hanging all day, every day.
Here's a little something for the players out there hustling, getting down for theirs. From East Point, College Park, Decatur, DeVry, you know, niggas worldwide. Down for theirs.
Getting 6 on a G-Delete. You don't wanna see a G break your games like dishes. Buster us the tricks, sleep with the fishes. Running from Lennox up at Venice. They wanna have me in stripes like Dennis the Menace. But that ain't poppin', ain't no stopping. Faux hopping, ass dropping, coupe de ville. My truth can heal. Fool, I got skills. So back on up, or I check that chin down this. And I'm full off hand, you gets no love, and I thought you knew it. Fool, you know how we do it. Coming from the west side, coming from the west side. Chillin' with the homies, smelling a bud. Double park, then I'm talking to Dub about who got a plan, who got a plot, who got, and who got shot. Cause everybody knows that he got the info. Crazy tunes hanging out the window. Fool, I got them bomb tapes, the lynch mob, planet of the apes. I'm down with 8, and what's up? Cam and Solo, they got nuts. When Ice Cube write a sentence, I want the bomb. Just like George Clinton, SKP is down to catch a body, put on knee deep. We'll turn out your party. It gets no love, and I thought you knew it. Fool, you know how we do it. You wanna jack me on a lick, cause I'm that fool from South Central. You think you stuck yourself with a number 2 pin, so that's how I poke hot lead in your with more bounce to the ounce in the dash. Mash up Van Ness, headed for the west. Everything is great. Slow down for the depth on 108 and keep mashing. Don't drink and drive to keep the foe from crashing. Stashing the clock, and I thought you knew it. You know how we do it. West side, west side. Nothing but
what's up, T-Lo? Fresh out, off parole. You know, still fucking with my folks. Herm Lou in the house. Primo, pop some of this player shit. They can't see you, T-Lo. They can't see you, baby. That's real shit.
I got that player shit on lockdown. Overdosed on this West Coast Cali underground. Bitch, if the whole club don't knows about you, and you knows you ain't a bitch, then I ain't talking about you. Little tramp, this the shit that's for the bitches. The ones who ain't gon' bust no dishes, sucking dick for riches. Peep, love, letter, stress, and time. But she don't think that he can comprehend that wine and grind. You ain't on her mind. This the shit that's for my grits. Game I got from them San Quentin convicts. Little tramp, if you knows you're underage, parental guidance be posted on my front page. Now how'd you get it? This the shit that's for the game. Sex, wet, rain dripping off my window pane. Now what's your name? From the Bay to Alabama. He be the Mac of Flamma. Players don't fuck with Bama. Chronic stuff, tennis. Yeah, baby.
Every single day, I'm bonafide like Bote, so now your hoes know. As I play like the Fugees and even a scout for sure. I'm explicit, my whole crew's playalistic, and all I want, all my drugs is the bitch lifted. And I pack fruit punch like that juice called Mystic, yeah, you know. And that's Rio, bitch, like the NBA. I jam as I play like Shaq on the trick. Kazam, they not knowing I be macking more hoes than Donald Goins. And it's that Keizo shit that keeps me going, pick and choose. And like the nigga Spike Lee, I'm giving Lydia ass more bass to blues. Don't make me act a fool. And if she was your bitch, well, she wasn't last night. Plus my grain truck tight. What you doing in the dark? I bring it to the light. Real player, baby. What I got?
Did all the time I can, pay for all my crimes, man. I went from Avenal, Solano, then San Quentin. And about that pussy, it ain't that pussy the way it used to be, huh? Y'all best to strap up or clap up with that HIV. See, being a player ain't just something that you call yourself. It's for them real G's, rack and stack legitimate wealth. And it be them youngsters claiming turf 6 feet down in the dirt. Won't use your mind, player. Start putting that paper to work.
Okay, that's real. That's why I tell that well. Because these ghetto projects can be ordered in penitentiary still. Fool, how does it feel? That's a yes, 15 over. Real niggas die like Rodney Lewis, straight soldier. Tell them no, told you. We moving on up, nigga, like the Jeffersons. And I'm ahead of this shit, just like I was the Jetsons. No drama, you know what oldest composure. You nursemaid niggas, you don't know. You fucking with our soldier. Real player, baby.
remember orgy nights with the homies on site, rolling through with your crew with more than half a pint. I'm at the block party with the braids in my hair, cluck heads with the dried out perm because they don't care. I'm in the corner with a freak looking doped out. I couldn't take another toke cause I'm toped out. Couldn't give it to the homies cause they smoked out. And don't worry about me, G, I'm loped out. I maintain about my ends and shit, just a truler like player with the gangster clip. For sure, my residue when I fall through, it's all brand new, vitamin B, it's all good for you. So when you see me, show the homie respect, as I blitz the whole world with my suave intellect. Mike, check and do respect to the MPLC, everyday G.
Now I was raised in the hood where it's all good. I saw drug deals, people kill, but I never really understood how a brother could rise, but yet fall so fast. Another homie fell victim to the blast. 187 every day where I lay. I'm trying to bust positive, but negative is where I stay. Getting little marks at the door. Steady putting in work, doing dirt like an art. I wanted to be down in this crooked part of town. Be the only life I lived is the life of an OG. So now I'm steady still and making a killing from these old folks. Grabbing for their cash, making a dash while they come and show. Making hell of an ends me, I never had a job, but yeah, I'm getting paid, living like a big dog. I'm ballin' through the mist, I got to go and creep slow. I move my operation underground just to keep it on the down low. Cause the brother like myself is out to get mine. I ain't about to spend no time on mine. Fool, I gotta watch my back cause they tryna take me down in this crooked part of town.
I used to slang, I used to bang, now my life has changed. I'm an OG, OG, that's me. I used to slang, I used to bang, now my life has changed. I'm an OG, telling the story.
I never like that G, but I'm seeing too much misery. Never saw the poppin', bodies dropping, ain't no stopping me. I got to get mine, but if I can, I gotta get yours. I'm kicking from the wrist like Robin Hood, cause I'm the worthy cause. Like my home boss, doing time until I'm 22. I couldn't help myself, so what? Don't you think I'm helping you? Now my little bro steady banging in my footsteps. Mama through the hood, steady trying to earn a bigger rep. I thought I'm watching me, he would learn and have a clue. But now it's way too late, cause the hood that took him under two. And it's a shame the way these youngsters getting caught up, cause over the years I many tears. But all my homies that been getting shot up, brought up in the stuff down society. I never put my trust in the man, cause the man won't lie to me. Why is he trying to keep a brother man down? Cause I was born and raised on this crooked part of town.
I used to slang, I used to bang, now my life has changed. I'm an OG, OG, that's me. I used to slang, I used to bang, now my life has changed. I'm an OG, telling the story.
Now for me it's been 17 years of straight up hardship. I've been slipping in the hood trying to get a grip and pull myself back up to where I was before. But since I'm black, I guess it's like for living in the ghetto. I'm just a crazy little G causing havoc. I lay the fools down that wanna check me and cut me static and play the jump. I ain't even trying to let it ride. You best believe I'm coming back with a drop by, cause that's the way it is and how it's done. Where I'm coming from, West Side, G-Slide, watch it back. Here I come with my rat-a-tat-tat. I come in strapped, crook towns where I'm at. Crook towns make my pockets back, cause all up in the hood is much love. I know my boys got my back when push turns to shove, so there ain't no way that I'm never falling down, cause I was born and raised in this crooked part of town.
I used to slang, I used to bang, now my life has changed. I'm an OG, my, oh my life has changed. I'm an OG.
Back to the block, Snoop Doggy Dogg, funky, yes, the doc went solo on that ass, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve my cane. Follow me, but don't lose your grip. 9 tris ain't the years there for me to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding nothing back, and motherfucker, I got 5 on the 20 sack. It's like that, and as a matter of fact, cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back.
Yeah, so keep out the manuscript. You see that it's a must we drop gangsta.
What's my motherfucking name? Yeah. It's the bow to the wild, creeping and crawling, Yiggy yes yo, and Snoop Doggy Dogg in the motherfucking house like every day. Dropping shit with my nigga Mr. Dr. Dre. Like I said, niggas can't fuck with this, and niggas can't fuck with that shit that I drop, cause you know it don't stop. Mr. 187 on the motherfucking top. Tick-tock, now with a Glock, just some nuts in the cock. Robbing motherfuckers, then I kill them blood cops. And I step through the fog and I creep through the small, cause I'm Snoop Doggy, 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 oh. Just throw your hands in the motherfucking air and wave the motherfuckers like you just don't care. Yeah, roll up the dank and pour this drink and watch it stink. Cause doggies on the gang, my bankroll's on swole. My shit's on hit legit, now I'm on parole. Stroke with the dog pound right behind me and up in your bitch is where you might find me laying that, playing that G thing. She want the nigga with the biggest nuts, and guess what? He is I and I am him. Slim with the tilted brim. What's my motherfucking name? Up in the place, your chance is gone. That bitch you was glancing on. If she leave with me, no chance that her pants is on. No bra, no panties on. Make us up the same thing that my hand be on. Red bone, thick bitch with a sandy tone. We gone, South Beach in the Miami zone. Damn, she wrong, bad little candy cone. One head nod from me, she out the dough. One head job from her, she out the dough. Don't trip pronto, bitch, out the dough. Back to the beach, backyard, Delano. All bullshit aside, she a cold piece. The type that might go search the whole beach. The type that might go out and bring back something wild. Screaming, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me.
Sexy walking with that attitude. You're looking at me, I'm looking at you. Although I know I'm with my man, I just can't help but check for you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Sneaky ways, but I chance. Boy, you know it's gonna get real.
I take mine, small waistline, face of a dime, waste no time, grind on the dick, take mine with a lick. You still be singing that sunshine shit. It's your world, girl, come collide with the dick. Some hot zone champagne, Heather Hunter, Dominique Simone shit. Home alone on some grown shit. King Kong make you moan with this, and still want it all. In the club bathroom stall, backseat, take your clothes off, and still fuck your bra. And all it take is one phone call. Show up, and I'm beating up all walls. No joke, she broke all laws. Handcuffing is a lost cause.
Can we roll, creep? I got a spot where we can both let go, creep. If you can't kick it, holler, let me know. Secrets, I'll keep it on the low. Creep, creep, creep.
Sexy walking with a street attitude. Love to get between the sheets and cheat on your dude. Besides, these drugs got me in the mood. After the club, you could choose out. Still, I got a groove. I ain't tryna be rude. Meet me at my room number 213. Private slumber party with your name on the VIP. That's how we get crunk. SIP, Remy and get drunk.
Sexy walking with that attitude. You're looking at me, I'm looking at you. Although I know I'm with my man, I just can't help but check for you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Sneaky ways, but I ain't mad at you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Just imagine how this could go. I want you so. And if you give me a chance, boy, you know it's gonna get real.
To talk shit, where I'm from, we prone to lick shots. Now dog pound gangsters put me up on game. Now that I'm here, a lot of shit gon' change. Mr. Quick to buy a chain, Mr. Let the chain hang, showing off the bras. I'm Mr. Quick to get the bang. Now you might catch shites getting bitten every coast. Still the nigga with the heat, getting rid of every coast. Still fucking with mids, we run triz when we bored. And you know I got the act 20s, what they hitting for. See me if you wanna score, cause I got what you need. Or you can see me at the club, tinted SUV. Getting in for free, I'm about to make my name known. Shites full of heist in this bitch just to get it on war.
Riding with my loved one, smoking on some weed. You got chronic, won't you light it up? Check this out. You see how I figure this thing. We can all take over this game. If we come together, do the shit right. We can all have a piece of the pie. How I figured this out. I took a little trip down south. I set foot off the plane. It was just like a family thing. The gangsters hard to deceive. So I took a little trip to the east. Slow, so I can't wait for the game. Broke, so I'm in bulletproof everything. Touchdown and act like I think. They ain't tripping off nothing but fame. So I quickly dispose of my shame. If we ain't got us, nigga, where I wanna be. Riding with my loved one, smoking on some weed. You got chronic, won't you light it up?
Yeah.
Show me something I ain't never seen. I step in the house party with a gangster lean. Dog pound gangsters, we striking back again. Ready to ride in the lack again. Giving it up a T-Boz and Mac 10 for doing it. This ain't nothing but a gangster reunion. New York and California, the places to be. Nate Dogg and Corrupt broadcast for free. We at the doghouse, where the dogs at. You wanna get with me, baby, meet me in the back. Young Damian Young, this is number 2. Right now, baby, doing where I wanna be.
Right here with my loved one, smoking on some weed. You got chronic, won't you light it up? This is where I wanna be. Right here with my loved one, smoking on some weed. You got chronic, won't you light it up? This is where I wanna be. Right here with my loved one.
Well, it's the M.I. cricket letter coming around the south, rolling straight hammers and bows in that old southern south. Please, ain't nothing but incense in my atmosphere. I'm bending corners in my lag bar, cause that's how we been rolling here. Yeah, the slang is in effect because it's Georgia kicking the Yankees, and I need to pack your beats cause you're supposed to cut. Catfish and grits is how my flow flows, rolling steady in that caddy, but the 50 bottles got to go. See, Juice and Gin used to be my friend from the beginning. Now I'm just a player sipping sauce every now and then to catch a buzz like a bumblebee. Niggas who try to fuck when they get sprayed like Ray, cause it ain't nothing.
See, my heat is in the trunk along with that quad lock. No, my heart don't pump no Kool-Aid. Jumping, you'll get too sprayed. Hooray, you'll block the one and only outcast. Many of niggas falling fast and I continue blasting. Quickly, they ain't gon' get me. Got something for them. The devil up in your grill and you still don't even know him. Show him who's the okay. Like collard greens and hoe cakes, I got soul. That's something that you ain't got. That's why your style is rotten. Stop in the land of ATL, where nothing but pimps fully equipped, quick to make us sell swell. Rolling, got my pockets, business booming like rockets. Folks try to stop it, but they know that it's bad. Time to drop these bones like Dusty Rhodes. Then I yell, ho, when I come up off they think like a southern hustler pose. The dude was in the house like a joint is lit for my kinfolks and all the niggas that was down since we been from. Taking them deeper than a submarine. So scream when you hear the team of 2. My crew we think it's 2 fat hoes sitting off in a room. I'm packing my tag backwards if you wanna be acting wrong. Word is wrong like super glue. It's funky like poop with scoop. And every word I say you get true. Well, okay, don't get cast out. I swear to God, I got the highest moving Cadillac, the FBI analytic. Who they build? Can you handle that you rap? I take my time cruising around the city malls. And under my seat for you suckers is your final curtain call. The one you to the gauge, P-U-M-P. You wanna do a jack, I heat the barrel till it's empty. Get me? See, I ain't friendly, gets it in where I fit. Organizers on the track with the southern playalistic shit. So copy my slang and bite my shit, but don't try gaffling me, cause sleeping you get served with some southern hospitality. Playalistic Cadillac music has been laid. Now I may wait for all the air, they be rolling like that today, ho. So back up off and get up on it if you want it, y'all. Looking for hoes and snitches was my thing on players ball, yeah. So now I step, rather walk with that pimp flip. While my niggas are in East Point with that Collie Park pimp smoke down. It's how I wanna end it on this track. So I pass it to my partner and step back up in my Cadillac. Up in my shoes, you cruise, sitting on truth. And both for the hoes, only when we rollin' through Atlanta's Cosby Blue. The sun is beaming, it's seeming that I'm glistening. Rather gleaming, 2020 got me leaning to the side, full of pride. Now ain't that something? I'm dipping into your hood, this ain't rare, what I'm bumping out the road, just dungeon. If y'all missed it, Big Gil, Goody Mob, PA, Outcast, something for your listing.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, Rap Attack, Mr. Magic, Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Raw G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. You know very well who you are. Don't let them hold you down. Reach for the stars. You had a goal, but not secondary. 'Cause you're the only one. I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap, I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast, condos in Queens, indo for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Smalls speak. Living life without fear, putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood. And it's still all good, And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. You know very well who you are. Don't let them hold you down. Reach for the stars. Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green, leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack. Now my mom pimps an act with minks on her back. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Damn right I like the life I live. Cause I went from negative to positive and it's all. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Representing B-Town in the house. Junior Mafia, Math Label. Yeah. Alright.
Well, leave it up to me to come tight with mine. DJ Glaze one time with the bomb ass rhyme. Slide around the beach with the West Coast sound. And if I see you on my team, then I just might clown. 325 with the chrome Manteras. Candy blue paint make the skirts wanna stare at me. As I dips around the way, and you know it's all good like the Moji say. Now I'm freestyling to a brand new track, and it's bumping like the back of an 83 lac. But don't get me in no twist, because I never thought we'd ever see a day like this. T-dubs in a Fleetwood and you can't fade it. M's in a 6'4" and it's gold plated. From here on out it's smooth sailing. So let me bounce like Zap and keep bailing. Listen to the sound when we pass it around. pocket, slapping bones with the homies, tossing up 40s, rolling in a four with a skirt bumping oldies. Get my hustle on whenever ends run low. Dice in my pocket, what they hitting for? Hitting fences on the one time, can't get caught up. Since that 3-strike rule got brought up, head to the bus spot, pick up an ounce and dip back to the hood, fool in the mail.
Listen to the sound when we pass it around, as we buzz around the world with the West Coast sound. You can just clown or be down with it, but I'ma keep bouncing around with it. Listen to the sound when we pass it around, as we buzz around the world with the West Coast sound. You can just clown or be down with it, but I'ma keep bouncing around with it.
Here I come bouncing, sliding, gliding, headed to the front, Long Beach East Side. Hop front back, let me scoop up in, cause he's sitting in the park and he's all bombed in. I'm feeling kinda fine, so you know what's right. Laying back, bumping tonight's tonight. So may I continue as the story unfolds. I love to see them skirt through the Tootsie Roll. With that hell of a body, no shame in the game. So hurry up and pass T-Dub, the Mary Jane, as I'm leaning out the window of a drop-top boat. Sipping Christian Brothers, Mila pumping some more. Dipping, flossing, creeping and crawling, feeling like a real OG, cause we ballin'. Hit the switch, now it scrapes the ground, and that's our clown when I'm putting it down.
Listen to the sound when we pass it around, as we buzz around the world with the West Coast sound. You can just clown or be down with it, but I'ma keep bouncing around with it. Listen to the sound when we pass it around, as we buzz around the world with the West Coast sound. You can just clown or be down with it, but I'ma keep bouncing around with it. Listen to the sound when we pass it around, as we buzz around the world with the West Coast sound. You can just clown or be down with it, but I'ma keep bouncing around with it. Listen to the sound when we pass it around, as we buzz around the world with the West Coast sound. You can just clown or be down with it, but I'ma keep bouncing around with it.
I got the right to rap about that. fucking with your homies, cause you know they don't respect you. So nigga, please check nuts before you step to these motherfucking real.
Well, it's the knockout definition, original baby gangsta. Approach me like you hard motherfucker, I'ma bank ya, shank ya with my fucking shank if I have to. Dr. Dre and Snoop Doggy Dogg are fucking actors, gangsters, studio gangsters, busters. But this time you're dealing with some real motherfuckers. Jeez, nigga, please don't try to step, cause if you do, then the pimp cap is all that would be left. See young niggas like me, I'll break you off something. Claiming my city, but Dre, you ain't from Compton. Niggas like y'all is what I call wannabes, and ain't shit compared to real motherfucking G's.
I never met an OG who never did shit wrong. You tried to diss the Eazy-E, so now nigga it's on you and your doggy dog. Think that y'all hogging shit. Both of you bitches could come and suck my doggy dick. Beating up a bitch don't make your shit, but then again some niggas think it makes a man. Damn, it's a trip how a nigga can switch so quick from wearing lipstick to smoking on chronic at picnics. And now you think you're bigger, but to me you ain't nothing but a bitch ass nigga that ain't worth the food stamp. And at death row, I hear you getting treated like boot camp. Gotta follow your sergeant's directions or get your ass popped with this Smith and Wesson. Learn a lesson from the E's. Stay in your place and don't step to real motherfucking G's.
Should've known by now, easy dough.
Straight off the streets of Compton, dedicated and by most suckers hated. But I got something I want you motherfuckers to know. I really don't give a fuck.
Niggas ain't shit in the 90s, I don't trust them. And bitches on my dick, but they ain't shit, so motherfucker. Easy know what's up, cause Easy really don't give a fuck. Concern me if it don't pertain to money or not. But then again, I talk to a few of my friends 9 times out of 10 about some ends or some skins. Cause I'm the type of nigga that got to have it like a rabbit. Rapping is my hustle, busting hoes is a habit. I stab it like a true, no good nigga should. I grew up the way I down, OG niggas would. And now niggas know Eric Wright ain't no buster. Another platinum cut from the Compton dumpster. My name is Wicked, player name Easy. Women can't play me, some say I'm crazy. Wicked as can be, Eazy-E got the flow. Living the smell of dope on the road for show. Wicked, player name Easy. Women can't play me, some say I'm crazy. Wicked as can be, Eazy-E got the flow. Living the smell of dope on the road for show. I don't think I'm all this or that, but I'm all me. Original gangsta, E-A-Z-Y-E. Down from the jump, now I'm hitting with the big thing. Still rolling in my 6-4 on the things. Doing wicked shit is wicked on the streets. And from what my eyes see, the wickedness will never cease. Bitches on my dick, and you know I'm running, y'all. So you just show your soul to the motherfucking devil's son-in-law. Wicked as can be, Eazy-E got the flow. Living the smell of death on the road for sure. And I hope can't make me or break me, but she could take me to a motel and break a nigga's hell, cause I'm wicked, player name Easy. Women can't play me, some say I'm crazy. Wicked as can be, Eazy-E got the flow. Living the smell of death on the road for sure. My name is Wicked, player name Easy. Women can't play me, some say I'm crazy, but I don't think so. Come if you're loco. Wicked as can be, Eazy-E got the flow. Living the smell of death on the road for I let my demons loose when I hit the 8 juice, and I leave a trail of stiffs when I'm high off of cliffs. Niggas talk shit, so I talk a lot of shit too. Niggas wanna diss, fuck them and they whole crew. In fact, nigga, thank ya for stacking a nigga's bank up. Yeah, I'm living swell, but I'm a gangster like Tracer. No, not the doctor, physician, or the MD. Tracer's an OG, doctor's a phony. Only the real still can chill with me, and the rest can't fuck with me. Cause I'm the OG that'll burn you down. The devil's son-in-law, king of the underground. Good to go with the flow that I throw. Giving you more to let a motherfucker know that I can get back on the set and make
step up in the place, your chance is gone. That bitch you was glancing on. If she leave with me, no chance that her pants is on. No bra, no panties on. Make us up the same thing that my hand be on. Red bone, thick bitch with a sandy tone. We gone, South Beach in the Miami zone. Damn, she wrong, bad little candy cone. One head nod from me, she out the door. One head job from her, she out the door. Don't trip pronto, bitch, out the door. Back to the beach, backyard, Delano. All bullshit aside, she a cold piece. The type that might go search the whole beach. The type that might go out and bring back something wild. Screaming, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me.
Sexy walking with that attitude. You're looking at me, I'm looking at you. Although I know I'm with my man, I just can't help but check for you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Sneaky ways, but I ain't mad at you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Just imagine how this could go. I want you so, and if you give me a chance, boy, you know it's gonna get real.
I take mine, small waistline, face of a dime, waste no time, grind on the dick, take mine with a lick, you still be singing that sunshine shit. It's your world, girl, come collide with the dick. Some hot zone, champagne, Heather Hunter, Dominique Simone shit. Home alone on some grown shit, King Kong make you moan with this, and still want it all. In the club, bathroom stall, backseat, take your clothes off, and still fuck your bra. And all it take is one phone call. Show up, and I'm beating up all walls. No joke, she broke all laws. Handcuffing is a lost cause.
Can we roll, creep? I got a spot where we can both let go, creep. If you can't kick it, holler, let me know. She creeps, I'll keep it on the low. Creep, creep, creep.
Sexy walking with a street attitude. Love to get between the sheets and cheat on your dude. Besides, these drugs got me in the mood. After the club, you could choose out. Still, I got a groove. I ain't tryna be rude. Meet me at my room number 213. Private slumber party with your name on the VIP. That's how we get crunk. SIP, Remy and get drunk.
Sexy walking with that attitude. You're looking at me, I'm looking at you. Although I know I'm with my man, I just can't help but check for you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Sneaky ways, but I ain't mad at you. Looking at me, I'm looking at you. Just imagine how this could go. I want you so, and if you give me a chance, boy, you know it's gonna get real.
Don't see what I see. Every day as Warren G, I take a look over my shoulder as I get older, getting tired of motherfuckers saying, Warren, I told ya. You don't hear what I hear. But it's so hard to live through these years with these funny bunny niggas. Ain't shit changing. Got my mama wondering if I'm gang banging, but I don't pay attention to these father figures. I just handle mine and I'm rolling with my niggas. Off to the VIP. You see, Snoop Dogg and Warren G. Unbelievable how time just flies right before your eyes, but you don't recognize. Now who's the real victim? Can you answer that? The nigga that's jacking all the food getting jacked. Yeah. You don't see what I see. Every day as Warren G. You don't hear what I hear. But it's so hard to live through these years. You don't see what I see. Every day as Warren G. You don't hear what I hear. But it's so hard to live through these years. Another sunny day, another bright blue sky. Another day, another motherfucker die. These are the things I went through when I was growing up. There's only one hood and niggas should be throwing up. And I knew it, there really ain't nothing to it. Thinking every fool's gotta go through it. Now let's go back, how far? Back in time, dragging to these hickers trying to mac for mine. I remember when we all used to stop at the spot. Back then my nigga name was Snoop Rock. It was all so clear. 87, 88, then 89's the year. You say everywhere we roll, you can say we roll big. Way back then, 213 was a clique. Serving the state paid, I was just a young hog. Warren G, Snoop Rock, and Nate Dogg.
You don't see what I see.
Every day as Warren G.
You don't hear what I hear.
But it's so hard to live through these years.
You don't see what I see.
Every day as Warren G.
You don't hear what I hear.
But it's so hard to live through these years. You make me wanna holler, get out the game. Too many motherfuckers know my name. While Snoop Dogg serving time up in Wayside, I puts it down on the street, don't try to take mine. I had to reinsure the homie that he wasn't alone. We talked, and him and Nate conversate on the phone. He kept saying, nigga, it won't be long before a little skinny nigga like me will be home. I said, Snoop, things done changed, it's not the same. We need to get up out the game, cause we could get paid in a different way. With you kicking dope rhymes and I DJ. Well, as time go past, slowly we try to make it, but things are getting hectic, I just can't take it. Should I A, go back to slanging dope? Or should I B, maintain and try to cope? Or should I C, just get crazy and wild? But no, I chose D, create the G-Child. It's been on ever since with me and Mr. Grimm. The shit is getting so hectic that I can't even trust him now.
What would you do for a Warren G cut?
Would you act a fool and nut the fuck up? Back the fuck up, act the fuck up. Niggas talk shit, they get smacked the fuck up, straight up.
You don't see what I see.
Every day as Warren G.
You don't hear what I hear.
But it's so hard to live through these years.
You don't see what I see.
Every day as Warren G.
You don't hear what I hear.
But it's so hard to live through these years.
You don't see what I see.
Every day as Warren G.
You don't hear what I hear. But it's so
Regulators. You regulate any stealing of his property, we're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel if you know what I mean, earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets, trying to consume some skirts for the E, so I could get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC, on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you search know what's up with 213.
So I hooked select on 21 and Lewis. Some brothers shooting dice, so I said, let's do this. I jumped out the ride and said, what's up? Some brothers bought some heat, so I said, I'm
since these girls peeping me, I'm gonna glide and swerve. These looking so hard, they straight hit the curve. Want to bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix.
I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe they taking Warren's wealth. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said, damn, what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight pound for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my and lay them busters down.
They got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly, let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie Nate.
16 in the and 1 in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make some bodies turn. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate. I let my explode. Now I'm switching my mind back into freak mode. If you won't skirt, sit back and observe. I just left a gang of over there on the curb.
Now they got the freaks, and that's a known fact. Before I got jacked, I was on the same track. Back up, cause it's on N-A-T-E and me, the Warren to the G.
Just like I thought, they were in the same spot, in need of some desperate help. The Nate Dogg and the G-Child were in need of something else. One of them dames was sexy as hell. I said, ooh, I like your size. She said my chords broke down and just sing real nice. Would you let me ride? I got a car full of girls and it's going real swell. The next stop is the East Side Motel.
A whole new era. G-Funk, step to this, I dare ya. Funk on a whole new level.
The rhythm is the bass and the bass is the treble.
Chords, strings, we brings melody. G-Funk, where rhythm is life and life is rhythm.
If you know like I know, you don't wanna step to this. It's the G-Funk era, funked out with a gangster twist. If you smoke like I smoke, then you like every day. And if your ass is a buster, 213 will regulate.